my lovelies, my beauties, my friends. Welcome back to another video. Today I have found some of the new-ish cats and dogs. The £2 cats and dogs scratch card. So I'm kind of devoting this video to Crystal because I know that she asked for some of the old scratch cards, the old dog ones. I've forgotten what they're called now, what a woolly, but I couldn't find any of those, so these have come out. So this one is kind of for you, Crystal. She's an awesome member of mine, so yeah, this one's for you. I've also got some of the diamond maze, might do those, but I'm itching to scratch, so let's get going. Okay, so I've got 10 of these to do today. I think there was 10. Have a quick look at the stats. So there is a 1 in 3.91 chance of winning, approximately. You can win 2, 4, 10, 20, 40, 100, 200, 1,000, up to 50,000. Just got to scratch off the coating and find either of your winning pets or a pile of dog or cat food to win £10 automatically. And a player can win up to 8 times on a ticket. So yay! Let's get scratching. Let's go with the purple bush. So we are looking for, I love the names on these, they're so funny. Felix and Miley. Okay. It doesn't state whether it's dog or cat food. I guess it could be either. Pet food. 75. Year of my birth. Is it going to be lucky? So we've got Casper. Our dog next door is called Casper. He's white, I suppose. He looks like a ghost. And we had a cat called Oliver. He was a British blue cream. Big boy he was. Ella, Poppy. Gizmo. Baxter. Siamese Sunny. And Salem. I like that name. I like that name. No win there though. Okay, Millie and Peanut. I had a hamster called Peanut. Can you bring us some more luck? Oh, we've got Casper again. Rover. Lola. Morris. You see, that looks like my cat Bumble. He was a British blue. Bumbleline the Braveheart. I was into the Wuzzles. I don't suppose anyone's old enough to remember the Wuzzles. Ella. Gizmo. Salem again. And Baxter again. So, no luck so far. I've been a bit slack with the old scratch cards, unfortunately, so I do apologise for that. But I've been crocheting like a mad woman. I want to start selling some of the crochet items on Etsy. And I've put a load of things on eBay. And a good girl I have. So we're looking for Morris and Peanut, and we get Bailey. We get Oliver. Millie or Miley. Rover. He doesn't look very sunny. I think he should be called Salem. Millie. Lola. And Gizmo. Wow, it's a bit sad, isn't it? A bit sad. Not even a sniff of a win. Right, we're looking for Oliver and Baxter. We found Baxter a few times. Come on. Hey, Lola. There's my Morris, Ella, Millie, Peanut. We were looking for you last time, Peanut. Salem. Goodness gracious me. Miley and Sunny. These are not doing particularly well for me. Top Dog, that was the other scratch card. God. Okay, I'm gonna give the Lucky Bush a rub. Start from the bottom maybe. Morris. Poppy. I thought that was going to be Salem then. Man, there's Baxter. You're late, Baxter. Casper. Peanut. Ella. Millie. What a sad state of affairs. Not doing too well at all, are we? So, yeah. Halfway through. Oliver, you're not doing me very well. Let's give myself a turn and a rub. Right. Looking for Oliver and Lola. We get Poppy and Ella and Sunny, Baxter, Miley, Gizmo, Bailey, right, so much for a 1 in 3.91. That's 6 straight with not a sniff of a win. Right, we're looking for Rover and Oliver. Come on. Thank goodness. Come on, break the drought. Let's have a nice win though, eh? It's going to be £2. Oh well, at least that's £4. Okay, yeah, so I can already see the 2. You stinkers. 4, better than nothing, I guess. Better than nothing. Still not good, is it, really? Okay, Peanut. Sunny makes me laugh. I want one. I want a Sunny. That's funny. Right, it's too late now, Rover. We've moved on. Come on, wrinkly face. I can identify. I know how it feels, Sunny. I still cannot get over finding flipping cobweb in my box on the live stream. I have never seen a cobweb on a scratch card. Certainly wasn't expecting it to see it in my box. Looking for fingers and you get cobwebs. Story of my life. Right, so, oh well. Oh man, I was just about to say there's the streak broken. Get in, Sunny. Get in. All right, what have you won us, Sunny? Ooh, ooh, nice. Like it. Good old Sunny. Right, Poppy and Bailey. Okay. Or obviously the pet food. Is that Poppy? Is it? No, it's Salem. Look, that could have been Poppy then. All excited like. I did find the dog food on the last one, so I'm not going to go mad like I did for the Black Pearl. Miley. Gizmo. It's Sunny again. and Baxter. Okay, last card. Oliver and Lola. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Peanut. Rover. Morris. Ooh, haven't seen Felix before. Sunny again. Casper. Baxter. And Bailey. Okay, that wasn't a complete disaster, but it wasn't a success either. Let's move on to the diamond maze and see if we can find fingers in the box this time rather than cobwebs. That's so funny. Oh, I was not expecting that. A phone, okay. Right. Let's get scratching the coordinates. Looking for that diamond, which is just 1 square, the helmet, which is 2, the map 3, so on up to the gold key, which is 1, 2, 6. 6. But you're not guaranteed a great prize, apparently. Not guaranteed, anyway. I think it was Charlene said that she found the gold key and thought, well, that's it, she's hit the big time. And yeah, it was a really small prize. It wasn't very big at all, so I was going to make a joke about finding things not very big at all, but I won't. I will bite my tongue. Oh, half a helmet. Half a helmet. I like saying that. It's not a sentence you get to use very often. A4. So you've got a bit of flamage. G7. Oh, there's the end of the key. E3. You don't want my hair there. Okay. Bit of shaft there. G4. That's going to be a key. H2. I've yet to find the diamond. H1. Oh, that's the first piece of wiggly track. I guess that's good. C2. Not that we found it, but it's only the second bit is my thinking. A3. Tip of the torch. Okay. H6. Wiggly track. G6. That's going to be part of the key. A1. Wiggly track. D1. Wiggly track. G2. Tip of the key. E2. Start of the shovel, or the shovel part of the shovel. E1. H3. It's going to be a tease, isn't it? G3. And H4. Oop. Is that a whole map piece? I think it is. Get in. Right, so we definitely got H2. Yes, we've definitely got H3. Yay, and definitely H4. Get in. So, ooh, Ooh, helmet. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. £10. It's a doubler. Okay, what would the torch have been worth? Ah, yeah, now we're getting up to big money. But I can't complain. That is £10. Well, I did have it earlier because obviously I got £10 worth of cards. But you know what I'm saying? You get me. Right. Okay. What can we find? The fingers in the box. No, it's a pocket watch. Pocket watch. Okay, come on. A bit of last card luck. F1. I think Mr Wacky did an F1 stream last night. If you haven't already checked out Mr and Mrs Wacky, Wacky Slots and Scratch Cards, and they've got a gaming or slot channel, and oh, there's so many channels now going on. Do go and check them out. Put the link in the description. B2. E2. And if you're into ASMR, please go and check out my niece on her channel. Put her link in the description. If you're into elves, please check out my daughter's channel. It's her goal. She would dearly love to get to 100 subscribers. That's just a goal she's had for a long time. And of course, my gorgeous man, Lord Johnny Slots. I'll put all the links in the description. C5. A4. H6. Squiggles. D3. I would expect to find the little gem more often because it's going to be the lower of the prize end, isn't it? It's like right at the other end. But yeah, I've not come across one. D3. A3. Oh, so just A5 would be really nice for the spade. I was going to say shovel, but I don't think it really matters, does it? C4. Tip of the flame. C6. It's going to be a tease, this one. I can feel it. G7. Yeah, I'm going to start making some TikToks for the crochet that I've been doing. I have no idea how to use TikToks. I'm going to have to get Rosie to teach me, which is quite embarrassing. I'll be making a little miniature caravan with all the stuff inside and some Pokemon hats and some other hats, and yeah. E4. F2. B3. What's in there? I just threw my scratcher across the table. It was twitch there. A7. That was weird. H4. Oh, another map would be nice. F6. And H1. No win, but I didn't expect to after the other one. So yeah, what was the prize? I always like to check if they start off high. Oh well, not that high. I mean, the gold key is 1 mil, but I mean, they start off quite low. I'm surprised. I am a bit surprised. Weird. Where was the diamond? Is that it? Yeah. Jeez, to me. Right, stop messing around, Lee. So it wasn't amazing, but then again, it wasn't too bad either. We had £10 there, and 4 and 4, so 18. So over half, not much over half. But it's enough to buy some more cards next time, so I'm not complaining. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments whether you'd like me to do a video next or another live stream. I'd really like your opinion. And until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other.